Good morning, everybody. I am Dr. Shweta Gupta Bhandari, a classical homeopath, as you all know. And today I will like to discuss about the fifth observation, the Kant fifth observation. We all read in our books one-sided disease. One-sided disease, as per our organon, is a condition in which the patient has very few number of symptoms. Let me tell you what Kent fifth observation says. Kent fifth observation says the amelioration comes first, followed by aggravation of the symptom. And because I am dealing with the ICU CCU cases of COVID-19, I will give you a reference from my own experiences. Normally, I got patient after on 9th day or the 10th day of COVID-19 exposure. They have all the symptoms, they have the history of allopathic medicine. They say our symptoms are fine, we are not having any fever, we are not having any cough, the RT-PCR is negative, the CRP is under control, the blood parameters are under control. But the only concern is lack of oxygenation, or the oxygen saturation remain 90-91. In this scenario, as you know, oxygen saturation reduction it implies that the lung function has not been restored. So, when these patients come on 9th or 10th day of their treatment to homeopath like me, we go directly with the HRCT score. And I have many patients who were claiming, yes, we got recovered, we are well, we are very happy with allopathic treatment, we are absolutely fine. When HRCT score come in front of them, they got shocked, because before going for the allopathic treatment, these patients have the HRCT score 10. The patient went to the allopath. She took the treatment. Because of her comorbidity like heart conditions, she was on blood thinner, she was diabetic, she was hypertensive. On 7th day, like on after 7 or 8 day of the medication, allopathic medication, the RT-PCR control, the CRP control, suddenly the patient gave us a call and asked, please guide us, please help us, we are not getting saturation to the normal level. On investigation with the HRCTC score, it came out 16. You can very well imagine the upper symptom of cough, fatigue, fever, RT-PCR, CRP, everything is controlled. But the main parameter of HRCTC, the lung function, the lung structure, get distorted, and the HRCTC score, which has to be under control, which should be controlled on priority, is raised from 10 to 16. So it is a very bad prognosis. Kent fifth observation says that one-sided disease, the prognosis is unfavorable. And what Dr. Kent advised? Dr. Kent advised, kindly retake your case, do the case taking again, find the near totality of the symptom, and find a more accurate simillimum to this condition. And on implementing this observation, this advice, within 72 hours, I achieved the success in this case. The saturation from 90 raised to 97. And I am having the video of the patient, because this patient's son is a very famous dental ortho surgeon. So we are having the video also on Facebook, and we will discuss. And I just give you an example of a single example. There are plenty, there are n number of cases I encounter in which everything is fine. Suddenly CRP is fine, RT-PCR is negative, everything is fine. But the HRCTC comes high, 16, 17, 18 even. Even in a few of the cases, there was an issue of a high platelet rise was there. So there are lots of pathologies, conditions are there that implements. The upper layer of the symptom has been ameliorated, palliated, it has been covered, it has been palliated. But the crux, but the core, but the disease has progressed in the deeper tissues. The structural changes are there, and it is against the negative. It is hearing losses, outward, upwards, downward, inside, outside. So this format, if we will go for the reversal of the symptom, that then according to the Haring law also, Haring law fails in these cases, and this shows the treatment has been incorrect. The treatment was not correct. The medicine was palliative. It was not accurate. And the pathology left. These patients die because of, suddenly we have heard that a patient recovered from the COVID-19, but they died because of the heart attack, because of the lung failure, because of the kidney failure. This is the reason. Because the upper symptom was ameliorated, the patient was happy, okay, my RT-PCR is negative, I'm free of COVID, but they forget to go with the HRCTC. And gradually, because of the lung failure, the secondary cardiac arrest occurs, and the patient died suddenly. So this is the scenario observation 5 is a very important observation of Kant, and it goes very straight and it implements in the COVID-19 ICCCU cases too. So go through the fifth observation, and I hope my experience will be of some help to everybody, and we will definitely further discuss the rest of the observation of the Kant Memorial J.T. Kant observation 12. And observation is a boon. It is a pathway. It is like a torch which helps a physician to be guided and to decide the fate of his patient and the fate of a physician also, because we are here to preserve the life, to restore the health, and to make everybody proud, be a proud homeopath. And I hope there will be a day when Dr. Hahnemann will be proud of us. We will prove the worth of homeopathy, the billions of homeopathic system of medicine all across the globe. And let's win over COVID-19 with homeopathic medicine and management protocol under Dr. Shweta Gupta Bhandari. Take care, everybody. Thank you.